apps affairs show you.
How to turn on announce calls in iPhone. Follow these easy steps to easily turn on announce call. So whenever you receive an incoming call, your iPhone will announce the caller name and number. Go to your iPhone settings, scroll down and search for the phone app. All you have to do is just tap on phone and here tap on announce calls. And to turn on announce calls, here you will get these three options. If you select headphones and car, then announce incoming calls when headphones or a car with Bluetooth is connected. And if you want to enable announce calls for headphones only, then select it. And if you want your iPhone always announce the caller name and numbers, then select here always. And that's it. This is how we can turn on announce calls in iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.